Hi guys! I have so many cherry tomatoes in my garden, so I figured I'd make this delicious and easy garlic pasta. You can keep it vegetarian or add cooked chicken at the end. This is the perfect quick weeknight meal that's fresh and satisfying. As always, the recipe link is below the video. First, put on a pot of water to cook the pasta. When the water is at a full boil, add salt and thin spaghetti. You can definitely use another type of pasta if you like. I'm using 1 pound, but you can easily cut this recipe in half. Stir and cook until tender. For the sauce, I'm using cherry tomatoes and patio tomatoes, which are a little larger. Use whichever type of small tomatoes you have. Remove the stems, wash them, and cut them in half. If they're large, cut them in quarters. The small ones I leave whole. We'll also need fresh basil leaves and lots of garlic. Smash the cloves. Cut the ends off and slice thinly. Heat up a large pan and add olive oil. Now add the sliced garlic on low heat and sauté until soft. You don't want to brown the garlic. Add the tomatoes, salt, red chili flakes for heat, dried oregano. Mix that well. Also add torn basil leaves. Cover and cook until the tomatoes are soft, stirring occasionally. Taste and add a little sugar if you need to, as well as more salt. How much sugar really depends on the acidity of your tomatoes. Remember, you'll be adding pasta, so the sauce does need quite a bit of salt. This is what it should look like when the sauce is finished. It's a little thick and the tomatoes are cooked, but not completely broken down. Add heavy cream and mix. Taste and adjust the cream to your liking. Turn the heat off. Cut up cooked chicken if you're using it. Chicken breast pressure cooked or off of a rotisserie chicken works well with this pasta dish. The pasta is cooked by the time the sauce is done. Take the pasta directly out of the pot with a slotted fork and put it into the sauce. If your pan is not large enough to mix everything, drain the pasta in a colander and add the sauce to the pasta pot. It'll be easier to combine. Add more fresh basil. Chicken and mix well. The sauce is just thick enough to coat the pasta. It's garlicky and creamy. When serving, I like to add a little ricotta cheese, which makes the dish even creamier. I gave this to my daughter and friends, and they loved the ricotta with this sauce. They pretty much inhaled the dish. Grated Parmesan on top is also a nice addition. Even if you don't add any cheese, this pasta will be creamy and satisfying. It tastes so fresh from the tomatoes and basil. A really great way to use up all of those tomatoes you're harvesting now. Give this a try and let me know how you like it. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.